Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good
So as we
morning,
start our
Good
class,
morning, ma'am.
yes, as we start our class with date
Good
and
morning,
date,
ma'am.
can you tell me what is the date today? What is the date? 30th of April. And what is the date?
Friday.
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 Yes. So hope all of you are ready for the class. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell me what are the different chapters we have completed in this month? Name the 2 chapters we have completed quickly. First one, chapter 1,
Building with
building with bricks, and chapter 2, chapter 2, long and very good. Now, hope you know that. Listen, children. Hope you know that we have completed the 2 chapters. We have done all the problems, 2 chapters. Okay, textbook problems. Now, yeah. Now we are going to do. I am going to give you 2 worksheets for holidays homework. 2 worksheets. Is that clear? Okay. But yeah, but before sending it to you, we will have a simple discussion on it so that you don't get any doubt during doing that. But you have to do it on later. You have to do it on your own by understanding it now. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yes. So now I'm going to share the question paper to you. See each and every question. We will discuss it here itself how to do. Okay. So this is first on chapter 1, building with bricks. Yes. So here, building with bricks. Name of the full student. First, you have to write your name. That is must. Next, roll number. Hope you know, all of you know your new roll numbers. Do all of you know? Do all of you know your new roll number?
Yes.
Good. Do not write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
wrong one. Don't write the previous one. Write the new roll numbers. Okay. Next, you need to mention section A, B, or C. Yours is C. Next, let us start with this. Okay, children. So let us start. I will ask you question. You can answer me. Okay. So question number 1. Do you know a dice? Do you know what a dice is? Do you play with dice? Ludo? Do you play with dice while playing Ludo? Yes or no? Yes. So what is the shape of the dice? What is the shape of the dice?
Square, ma'am.
Yes. Think and tell me. Is it a square?
Yes,
Children, what is the problem? Huh? Yeah? Why so much of disturbance from your side? Ranita, settle down now. Varshita, no movement. Sit straight, all of you. Sarika, Mokshita, Pallavi, all of you keep your videos on. Quick. Mokshita, Pallavi, Charanraj, quick. Sit straight. No other sound from your side. And think and tell the answer. Don't simply say something. Listen to me carefully. Give the answer properly. And all of you keep yourself unmute. But I should not get any other noise from your side. Only your answers. Clear? Yes. Now first all of you unmute yourself. Quickly. Yes. Pallavi, Charanraj have not yet. Varshita, unmute yourself. And see that nobody makes noise from your side. Yes. Okay. Tanvi, Varshita, please see that you are sitting alone. If this is the way you cannot understand the class, send your siblings to other room. Send your sister to other room. See, you should feel that you are in classroom. Do you bring your siblings to your classroom?
No,
If your parents, siblings are with you, how will you listen to the class? Yes. Be serious. Charan Raj, see, this is all we observe and give you grades, isn't it? So this comes under discipline. Charan, Sarika, quick. Yes. Now listen to the questions carefully and answer. We were discussing about a dice. We use dice while playing Ludo, isn't it? Do all of you know? Have you seen dice? Yes? Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes, very
Yes,
good. Now tell me what is the shape of the dice? Yes, it's a cube. Some of you have given the answer. It's a cube. It's not square. The sides, the surfaces of the dice are square in shape, but in total it's a cube. In total it's a cube. So we have discussed about cuboid and cube in the lesson building with bricks. Did you remember? Yes, do you remember that we have discussed about cuboid shape?
Yes,
So can you tell me the how many faces a cuboid has? How many faces a cuboid has? Faces. 1, 2. You can see the eraser and tell me. You can see. You can see the eraser and tell me.
Four, ma'am.
See, this is cuboidal shape. Is it in a cuboidal shape? Is it in cuboidal shape? So these are called faces. So 1, back of it 2, 3, 4.
Chutki
Five.
baga talakondi.
So how many faces? How many faces? 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces.
Ma'am.
Now tell me how many faces does a cube has?
6, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, now tell me all of you. Yes, how many faces does a cube has? Cube has
6, ma'am.
6 faces. Yes. Very good. Cube has 6 faces. Now, next. How many sides does a square has? Number of
Four,
sides
ma'am.
of a square. Be clear, all of you know 4. Can you tell me the number of sides of a rectangle?
3, ma'am.
Hey, rectangle. Rectangle 4. How many sides does a triangle has? 3. Very good. Okay. Now listen to the question carefully. If the cost of a brick is 2 rupees. What is the cost of a brick?
2 rupees,
2 rupees. Can you tell me the cost of 5 bricks?
10 rupees, ma'am. 10 rupees. 10 rupees, ma'am.
Very good. Cost of
10 rupees, ma'am.
1 brick is 2 rupees. Cost of 1 brick is 2 rupees. Then cost of 5 bricks is 2
10
into 5,
rupees.
10. Now listen.
10.
Now listen. Cost of 1 brick is 2 rupees. What is the cost of 1000 bricks? What is the cost of 1000 bricks? What is the cost of 1000 bricks?
2,000, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 2 into 1000. When you are given the cost of single brick, when you are given the cost of one item and you are asked to find the cost of many, you have to multiply. Remember that. Yeah. So it is 2 into 1000. That is rupees 2000.
2,000.
Very good. Okay. Next question. If the cost of, now listen to me carefully. If the cost of 2,000 bricks is rupees 8,000. Cost of 2,000 bricks. 2,000 bricks is rupees 8,000. So here the cost of 2,000 bricks is given, not for one brick. How many bricks? 2,000 bricks. What is the cost? What is the cost?
8,000.
8,000. Okay. Now you are asked to find the cost of one brick. What is the cost of one brick? What is the cost of one brick? So when you are given more bricks and you are asked to find the cost of one brick, what is that you have to do? Division. Division. Remember? Listen, children. Listen, children. When you are given the cost of one brick and you are asked to find the cost of more bricks, you need to multiply. Here, but when you are given more bricks cost and you are asked to find cost of one brick, you need to
2 rupees.
what is
Divided
it,
by-
children? What is it you have to do? You need to divide. You need to divide. So do the division and tell me. 8,000 divided by 2,000. 8,000 divided by 2,000. Do it and tell me the answer. All of you, I should find everyone doing it.
Rupees,
Do
ma'am.
it.
Ma'am, 4
8,000.
rupees.
4 rupees coming.
Yes.
4 rupees, ma'am.
What about others?
4 rupees,
about-
ma'am. 4
Yes.
rupees, ma'am.
2,000 ones are 2,000. 2,000 twos are 4,000. 2,000 threes are 6,000. 2,000 fours are 8,000. So answer is rupees 4. So what is the cost of each brick? What is the cost of each brick?
4 rupees.
2 rupees. 4 rupees. 4 rupees.
I can see here Dhruv is not listening. Akshit not responding.
4
What?
rupees.
Only 1 or 2 students are telling. What about others? Everyone should work out and do. Charan Raj, I couldn't see it till now. Charan, Charan, keep your video on. Otherwise, I'm going to give you absent. Yes.
No.
So is this clear? These two problems. Shall we go to the next one now? No response. Yes.
క్లాస్ ఉంది
Listen, children. I am not going to give you solutions. You are not getting solutions, answers now. I will send you only Google Sheets. You have to understand here and do it on your own at home. Is that okay? So listen to me carefully. Next problem. A truck carries, listen to me carefully. A truck carries 1,500 bricks. A truck carries 1,500 bricks. So how many bricks can a truck carry?
1,500 bricks, ma'am.
One truck,
1,506, ma'am.
one truck carries 1,500 bricks. Okay. Then how many bricks such 10 trucks carry? See, suppose you have a truck here. This carries 1,500. Okay. Like this, how many trucks I am taking now? How many trucks? 10. So, we are getting 10 more trucks. 1,500. One more truck, 1,500. Like this, we are going to have 10 more trucks. So, how many bricks you will have in total? What to do? Listen to me once again. Listen. One truck, 1,500 bricks. 10 trucks, how many bricks? What to do? Just now I told you. Sarika, speak out.
Multiplication.
Very good.
Multiplication.
You need to multiply. So tell me, one truck carries 1500 bricks. 10 trucks carries how many? What is that I should multiply? 1500 into 10.
1000 bricks.
1500 into 10. So how many? 15?
15,000, ma'am.
Yes, 15,000 bricks.
15,000 bricks.
Is this clear?
1,000 bricks, ma'am.
Karika, listen. Is this clear?
15,000 bricks.
So the concept here is one truck, 1500 bricks. 10 trucks, how many bricks? You need to multiply. Isn't it? One given, more you are asked to find. So you have to multiply. So 15 into 10, 15,000 bricks. Is this okay? Is this clear, Mokshita? Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now again, cube. Once again, remember the dice. Cube. Do you remember how a cube will be?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is a cube, isn't it? Now tell me the number of edges in a cube. How many edges? These are called edges, sides. These are called edges. So how many edges is there in a cube? Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, ma'am.
Mokshita, unmute yourself and tell me.
7, ma'am.
Mokshita, 7.
7.
How it can be 7? Once again, let us see. This is a cuboid. Now, cuboid or cube, it will have the same number of edges, isn't it? So let us check. These are called edges. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Back side also you have 4. So 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now sides. This already we have counted. 9, 10. This time 11, 12. So how many edges? How many edges? Cube or cuboid. Whatever it is. Edges are 12. Edges are 12. Okay. Faces, how many you said? Faces, how many?
2,
Faces. First question, faces.
8,
Yes. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
8, 8.
Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many?
6, ma'am.
Listen, no. So edges 12, faces 6. Can you tell me how many vertices it has? Vertices. Vertices. Do you know what vertices are? These corners are called vertices. So tell me how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good.
the answer.
Yes, vertices 8.
8.
So whether you are asked for cube or cuboid, edges are 12, faces are 6, vertices are 8. Clear? Can we go to the next one? Yeah. See? No noise from your side, is it? Now, once again, another problem. Listen to me carefully and answer it. I want everyone to answer. Out of 1,000 bricks. So, how many bricks are there in total? How many bricks? How many bricks? Thousand bricks. Yeah. From where is this voice coming? Who is that?
6, ma'am.
From whose home the voice is coming? If you cannot control at home, then you keep yourself mute. This is not right. Yes. Now, listen. Out of 1,000 bricks in a truck. So how many bricks are there in a truck? How many bricks? 1,000 bricks. Half of the bricks are found broken.
Animals like
Then, yeah. Yes. Out of 1,000 bricks in a truck, half of the bricks are found broken. So now tell me, how many bricks are broken? Pallavi, you tell me how many bricks are broken? The question is, total bricks are 1,000. I said half of the bricks are broken. Out of 1,000, half of the bricks are broken. So how many are broken?
500.
You have muted yourself, Pallavi. Yes, Dhruvish, you want to say? Tell me how many are broken?
500, ma'am.
Very good. I have given you this information even in the previous class of this chapter, building with bricks. Whenever you get half, you have to divide the number by 2. Divide the number by 2. So I said half of the bricks are broken. Half means you have to divide 1,000 by 1,000 divided by 2. So divide and see. 2 5s are 10. Subtracted 0. Bring this 0 down. So this 0 and bring this 0 down. It's 0. So it is 500. Right? Do all of you know this division, or do I need to tell you? Do you know? 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So once this is 0, you are bringing this 0 down. Again, 2 zeros are 0. Right? You are bringing, so this 0 gets 0 and you are bringing this 0 again. So again, this 0 you will take and you will get 0. Right? So you need not do this division. Once you are getting 0, the number of zeros you have, you can write here. So this is 500. So number of broken bricks are 500. Right? But now the question is, now listen to the question. I'll ask a person. Yes, out of 1,000 bricks in a truck, half of the bricks are found broken. How many are good, or how many can be used for construction? Yes, Tanvi Priya, can you tell me how many are good bricks now? Just now we have written that half of the bricks are broken. That is, broken bricks are 500, isn't it? Broken bricks are 500. Now tell me, good bricks. How many bricks are good in shape without breaking? Tanvi.
500.
Very good. In out of 1,000, huh? How many?
500.
Very good. Out of 1,000, when half, that is 500 are broken, the remaining 500 are good, isn't it? So good bricks are, how to find? Out complete bricks are 1,000. Out of this 1,000, broken are 500. So remaining are 500. Very good. 500 bricks are good in shape. Okay, next. Yes, now, Ranita, you need to answer. Get ready. Unmute yourself, Ranita. Listen to me. If the cost of one brick is 3 rupees, cost of one brick is 3 rupees. Okay. Then what is the cost of 400 bricks? What is the cost of 400 bricks? Tell me, Pranita, what to do? If the cost of one brick is 3 rupees, what is the cost of 400 bricks? Given for one brick, asked for many. Aim cheyali. What is it you have to do? First, how many problems we did? One brick cost given. Many bricks cost asked. What to do? Akshat, yes, tell me what to do.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Akshat,
Multiplication.
yes, it is to be multiplied. So, Pranita, tell me what is that you have to multiply here? Pranita? Sarika, can you tell me?
100. 1200.
Huh? Yes, very good. So 400 bricks into 3 rupees each, isn't it? So 4 multiply and see. But the easy multiplication is whenever you have zeros, you can write 0, 0 as it is and multiply these two numbers. 3 4s are 12. But anyways, you will check here also. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12. So 1200 rupees, isn't it? 1200 rupees. So cost of 400 bricks is 1200 rupees. Clear? Next. Yes, now Grace. Grace, can you
Ma'am.
tell me the number of zeros in a figure 1 lakh. 1 lakh. How to write 1 lakh in figures? 1 lakh is given in words. How to write it in figures? Grace? Tell me, I will write here. 1 lakh. How to write it?
Ma'am,
Ah,
1 and 4 zeros, ma'am.
1 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. How to check? This is in ones, right? This is in tens, right? This is in hundreds, right? This is in thousands. This is in 10,000. This is in 10,000. So total it has come to 10,000, not lakh.
0, ma'am.
5 zeros. Yes. So it is 4 zeros is wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Yeah. So this is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, how many zeros do you take? 5 zeros. 1 lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Is that clear? 1 lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Good. So now, let us see worksheet number 2. This is for the second chapter, long and short. Okay. So, question number 1. Varshita, you need to answer. Ready, Varshita?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. Yapnati aisa, ma'am. Aim jaya, please, ma'am.
Who is that? Yeah. The first question is, Varshita, you either send her or I will mute you. 35 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? Yes. Sarika, to answer me. 35 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? Sarika. So first you should know 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters. If you know that, then for 35 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters, you can say it very easily. So tell me, Sarika, first 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? Sarika? Not getting voice? Yes. Let us go to Pallavi. Tell me 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters?
10 meters, ma'am.
Huh?
Millimeters, ma'am.
10
Millimeters.
millimeters, not meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay. See, this is what you have seen on the scale. When you have a centimeter scale, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here it is 1 you have. Isn't it? Similarly, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 2 you have. So between every two numbers, you will have tens of lines. These are called millimeters. So every 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So every 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now tell me, Pallavi, what is 35 centimeters equal to? 35 centimeters is equal to how many millimeters? What is it you have to
10,
do?
ma'am.
What is it you have to do?
350.
Charan, wait, I'll give you time.
Multiplication, ma'am. 350 millimeters, ma'am.
Others, please. Yeah, Pallavi, tell me.
Multiplication.
Pallavi, you tell me. Leave about others. Pallavi, you tell me the answer. Yes, it is multiplication. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 35 centimeters is equal to, you need to multiply 35 into 10. What is 35 into 10? 350 millimeters.
350 meters.
350 millimeters. Yes. Okay. Now, Pallavi, you should be active, right? Okay. Next, Charan. Yeah, you're ready, Charan? Okay, now. Yes, others? Wait a second. Others should not talk. I will ask Charan. Only Charan should talk. Okay, Charan, you unmute yourself. Are you ready, Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now listen to the question. Others also listen to the question. Ram is 276 centimeters tall. Ram is 276 centimeters tall. So what is the height of the Ram? Charan, what is the height of the Ram? 276 centimeters.
207.
There's some problem, internet problem from your side. Okay. Now that height is double of Kiran's height. Ram is double of Kiran's height. Okay. So tell me, who is shorter? Is it Ram or Kiran? Ram is 276 centimeter tall. That is double of Kiran's height. So here you have to understand the question properly. So who is longer and Kiran is taller or shorter? Kiran is shorter. Yes. So here he is Ram. He is 276 centimeters tall. Now here he is Kiran, who is just half of his height. Who is just half of his height. Isn't it? Because we are given that Ram is double. 2 times. Double means 2 times of Kiran's height. Isn't it? Now, Charan, you have to tell me height of Kiran. Height of Kiran. Tell me how to find this. Height of Kiran. Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
Others also work out and get ready. After Charan gives the answer, we will verify with others also. So others also find out. If Ram height is 276 centimeters, which is double than the Kiran's height, then what is the height of Kiran? Yes, Charan, working? What to do, you tell me. Afterwards, you can find the answer. What to do? Ram is double, I'm saying. Then Charan means Charan. What happens? Sorry. What happens to Kiran? He's
Half the
half of him. Very good. He's half of him. Yes. So now tell me what is half of 276? What to do? Half means what to do? I told you. Half means what to do? Huh?
division.
Half. Division. Divided by what? Half means divided by what? Yes, Vaishnavi, tell me half means divided by? Mokshita, half means division by? See, if I don't find you people in the classroom, I'll give you absent. What happened to Vaishnavi, Mokshita, Sarika? Huh? What, Vaishnavi? If you don't listen to class, how will you understand? Yes, Sarika, tell me, what is the meaning of half? What to do? Charan, you need to answer. Half of 276. Yes, Sarika.
Divided by 2, ma'am.
Very good. 276 divided by 2 gives the height of Kiran. Isn't it? Ram double means Kiran is half. Yes? Yeah. So 276 divided by 2. So divide and tell me what is the answer? What is the height of Kiran? 276 divided by 2. All of you divide and tell me what is the answer? 2 ones are 2. Subtracted 0. Bring down 7. 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 6. 2. Yes, complete this and tell me what is the answer?
That's it, ma'am.
Yes, everybody can tell the answer. Is that 13? Yeah, Pallavi, tell me.
Ma'am, 138, ma'am.
Very good. It is 138. Mokshita, you stopped where I stopped. I have stopped for you. I didn't complete the division. Complete this. Others, is what Pallavi has said is right or wrong? Check it up. Divide and tell me the answer.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, 2 8 are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. So his height, Kiran's height is 138 centimeters. Kiran's height is 138 centimeters. Is that clear? Did you understand the problem? So here, as you grow up, as you go to the classes.
repeat the question, ma'am.
Yeah, who is that? Who asked the question? Tell me the
Grace,
name.
ma'am.
Grace, okay, fine. Okay, Grace, I'm repeating this question. Listen to me carefully. Given that Ram's height is 276 centimeters. Ram's height is 276 centimeters. And the problem is Ram is double the height of Kiran. Ram is double than the height of Kiran. Is that clear, Grace? So
Yes, ma'am.
automatically we understand that Kiran is half of the height of Ram. Yes. So you are asked to find Kiran's height. Kiran's height, who is half to Ram. So you have to divide 276 by 2 to get half of 276. Is that clear, Grace?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next one now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. The next question. Now, who wants to answer? Raise the hand. I'll ask the question. Who would like to answer now? Nobody would like to answer. Mokshita, are you sleeping or what? Huh? You're sitting or sleeping? Mokshita, sit straight. Yes, who is it? Siri Vanilla? Sirivanala, are you
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now the question is for you. Listen to me carefully. If the height of the tallest person, if the height of the tallest person in a family is 182 centimeters, what is the height of tallest person in a family?
182. 182, ma'am.
Yes,
182,
182
ma'am.
centimeters. You should tell the unit, centimeters. And the shortest person's height is 158 centimeters. What is the shortest person's height?
158 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, Mokshita, now you don't answer. Find the difference between their heights. Find the difference between their heights. Tell me, Sirivanala, what to do? I'm just writing for your convenience. Tallest person height. Tallest person height is equal to 100.
24 centimeters, ma'am.
What did you do?
Subtraction, ma'am.
Very good. Shortest person height is 158
158
centimeters. Now I am asking you
centimeters.
to find the difference between their heights. So whenever you hear this word difference, whenever you see the word difference, it means
We have to subtract, ma'am.
very good. So you need to subtract. So let us subtract and see. Minus 2 minus 8, not possible. So what is it you have to do?
Borrow.
Borrow. So this becomes 12 and this becomes 7, right? So 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8.
4, ma'am.
4. Yes. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5.
2, ma'am.
2. 1 minus 1.
0.
Right. So difference in their heights is 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Very good, Sirivanala. Well done. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Now, let me, who will answer now? Who is ready to answer completely a problem? Vaishnavi, you have not yet answered anything. Are you ready? Vaishnavi? What happens to this girl in Richard? Where does she go? Yes. Okay, now, not Sarika. Dhruvish, are you ready? Dhruvish, in between, do something else, right? Okay, now. Dhruvish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now listen to the question carefully. Others, please don't answer. Let Dhruvish answer. Okay. If one round of a park is 200 meters, if one round of a park, if you make a one round, complete round around the park, it gives you 200 meters. Okay. Find the distance of 10 rounds of a park. Find the distance of 10 rounds. One round distance is given, 10 rounds distance you are asked to find. One given, 10 asked. What is that you have to do? First you tell me what is it you have to do, Dhruvesh? You need to?
Multiplication, ma'am.
Very good. Multiply and tell me. Yes. So one round of a park is equal to 200 meters. You find out the 10 rounds of the park. I'll just start. So one round of a park is 200 meters. Then 10 rounds of a park will be
2000 meters, ma'am.
very good. 200 into 10, that is 2000 meters. So if you make 10 rounds around the park, it means you have covered 2000 meters. Okay, very good, Dhruvish. Next. Sarika. Sarika, are you ready? Some problem with your voice, man. They don't get it. You check it up. Okay. Vaishnavi, did you come? Vaishnavi, I am going to give you the absent. Grace, are you ready? Yes. Yes, okay. Grace, get ready. Now listen. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Grace,
ma'am.
see the problem? 2 meter 45 centimeters minus 2 meters 20 2 meters 20 centimeters. Can you tell me the answer? Can you tell me the answer? Grace? Yes. Grace, are you doing? 2 meters 45 centimeters minus 2 meters 20 centimeters. Subtract it and tell me. We have done such problems in chapter when you were doing concrete shot. Can you do it or shall I ask any other student?
I do it.
Do
5 centimeters, ma'am.
how much?
25 centimeters.
25 centimeters. Very good. So this can be directly written 2 meters 45 centimeters minus 2 meters 20 centimeter and subtract it 5 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 25 centimeters, 2 minus 2, 0 meters. So you need not write this. You can simply write 25 centimeters is the answer. This is one way. Another way is 2 meters, 45 centimeters. You can directly convert it into centimeters. So 245 centimeters minus 220 centimeters. Subtract 5, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is again 25 centimeters. Clear? Is this okay to all? See, you have to learn this. When you are given a Google sheet or a question paper, you will have problems of this kind, but with different numbers. You should be able to do all this on your own. Okay? Okay, next. Who is next? Pranita, will you do it again? Pranita, are you ready? Similarly,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this only another problem I'll give you. Try to answer that. Yes. 2 kilometers minus 400 meters. 2 kilometers minus 400 meters. Just remember that units must be same. Are these two same? Here it is in kilometers. Here it is in meters. They are not same. So before you go for subtraction, you should convert them into same units. Clear, Pranita? So to convert this kilometers into meters, you should know the conversion, which I have given you in the last class. So what is 1 kilometer is equal to? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters, Pranita?
1000.
1000. Very good. If 1
1,000, ma'am.
kilometer is 1000 meters, then 2 kilometers means how many meters?
2000.
Very good. So we will change
2000,
this
ma'am.
problem into 2000 meters minus 400 meters. 2000 meters minus 400 meters. Now is it easy for you, Pranita? You can subtract 2000 and 400. Subtract and tell me the answer. 2000 minus 400. Subtract and tell me the answer, Pranita.
Centimeters.
How much?
Ma'am. 1600.
1600. Very good. 0,
Ma'am,
0.
1600.
Yes, you need to borrow here. This becomes 10 and this becomes 1. 10 minus 4, 6. And this is 1. So 1600. What is the unit? 1600. Unit, Pranita. 1600.
Yes.
Huh? Meters. Because we have converted everything into meters.
Meters,
Is
ma'am.
this okay? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes.
Yes. So now, who will answer now? Did everyone get the chance? Oh, you did not get Mokshita? Okay, you give the answer now then. Okay. So, Siri Vanilla. Okay, Mokshita, get ready. Okay, now Mokshita for you. Distance between school and my home is 940 meters. So the distance covered is, question is, distance between school and my home is 940 meters. Now options are, so the distance covered is, you have to tell whether the distance is equal to 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer, or more than 1 kilometer. You need to answer this. Mokshita, did you understand the question? The distance covered, distance between home and school is 940 meters. Now this distance is whether equal to 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer, or greater than 1 kilometer. Yes, what is the answer?
Less than 1 kilometer.
Very good. The 940 meters is less than 1 kilometer because what is 1 kilometer? How much is 1 kilometer?
1000 meters.
1000 meters. Very good. Because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters and 940 meters is less than that. So the distance covered is less than 1 kilometer. Very good, Mokshita. Okay. So, Akshit Gaur, are you ready? Is Akshit Gaur here? Akshit Gaur went off. How come? Akshit? Not here. Okay. We'll repeat them, Dhruvish. Vaishnavi. Okay, I can't see Vaishnavi. Dhruvish, get ready. Let us give another one. Yes. Dhruvish, now listen. Question is centimeters, 20 centimeters, less than 8 meters, 40 centimeters is. Tell me the answer. 20 centimeters, less than 8 meters, 40 centimeters. So whenever you are asked to find less, if you are given that it is less, it means what is it you have to do? Siri, when you ask it properly. Yes, it is subtraction. Very good. So now first you try to understand which one is bigger. Is it 20 centimeter bigger or 8 meters, 40 centimeters bigger?
8 meters, 40 centimeters is big, ma'am.
Yes, so 8 meters, 40 centimeter is the greater number. Now you are asked to reduce or less 20 centimeters. It means you need to subtract. Now you tell me the answer.
20 centimeters, ma'am.
Is that only 20 centimeters? Complete answer.
20 centimeters. 20 centimeters.
Yes, very good. 8 meters, 20 centimeters is the answer. Okay. Pallavi. Pallavi, get ready. Yes, next question. Now, next question I am writing on the board. Understand and tell me what to do and get the answer. Yes. 10 centimeter more than 10 centimeters more than 6 meters 45 centimeters. 6 meters 45 centimeters. Tell me what is the answer. So when you are asked, huh?
Addition.
Yes, please let Pallavi tell. Others don't talk. Okay. Yes, Pallavi. 10 centimeters more means whenever you get a word more, it is addition. Whenever you get a difference or less, it is subtraction. Okay, so you need to add these two numbers. The two numbers are 6 meters, 45 centimeters, and 10 centimeters here. So you need to add. Tell me what is the answer. Pallavi, 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 1.
Ma'am, 6 meter 55 centimeter, ma'am.
Very good. So 6 meters, 55 centimeters is the right answer. Good, Pallavi. Okay, next. Okay. Now, you have a small table. Looking at the table, you need to answer. Okay. Okay, this I will share it here. Wait just a second. Yes, now see here. Observing the following table, find out how many centimeters higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meters. Okay, so now here are so many questions we have. One by one I will be asking. So let everyone get the chance. Okay, so let me start with here I can see Grace first. Yes, Grace. Look at the table carefully. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to tell me how many centimeters higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meters. So first you see how many meters high Bobby is jumping. Actual her record is
1 meter 91 centimeter, ma'am.
very good. But now I am asking you how much more she should jump to reach 2 meters. What should you do?
Addition, ma'am.
What are the two numbers you are going to add? And why addition?
And 1 meter 91 centimeters, ma'am.
No, listen. How many centimeters higher Bobby should jump? I'll tell you once again. Bobby has jumped 1 meter 91 centimeters. So first of all, you try to understand 1 meter 91 centimeters, that is 191 centimeters is higher or 200 centimeters is higher. 2 meters means 200 centimeters, right? Antena?
Yes, ma'am.
2 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
200 centimeters. But she has jumped 1 meter 91 centimeters, that is 191 centimeters. So which one is higher?
200, ma'am.
200. Now she has made a record of this. I want her to jump up to here. So how much more? Inka ante ekkuva jump cheyali. How much more she has to jump? So what is it you have to find? You have to find the difference. ఈ రెండిటికి ఇంకెంత తేడా ఉందో అది కనుక్కోవాలి. Right? So you need to find difference. Yes, very good. So whenever you find difference, it is subtraction. Now tell me, Grace, how much more she has to jump to reach 2 meters? Tell me.
9, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Here it is borrowing 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Here it becomes 9. 9 minus 0. 9 minus 9, 0 and 0. So this is 9 centimeter high she should jump. More she should jump to reach 2 meters. Yeah. Okay. So Grace completed. Next, I can see Sirivanella. Are you ready? Sirivanella, are you ready? Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay. Tell me, what is the difference of records of men in world record and Indian record? Difference of world record and Indian record of high jump in men. High jump in men. What is the world record of high jump of men?
2 meters 45 centimeters, ma'am.
Others don't answer. Let Sirivanella answer. Sirivanella, did you find out world record of men in high jump? Who made it?
2 meters 45 centimeters, ma'am.
Yes. So world record is 2 meter 45 centimeters. Now Sirivanella, tell me what is the Indian record? High jump men.
Chandrapal 2 meters 17 centimeters, ma'am.
Now I want to find you the difference between these two. So what is it you have to do? Difference means what is the subtraction? So subtract and tell me the answer. 2 meters 45. Others also subtract. Meanwhile, we will cross check with Sirivanella's answer. 2 meters 45 centimeters. 2 meters 17 centimeters. Subtract and tell me the answer. Get ready with the answer. Sirivanella is going to give you the answer.
Borrow 4
Others don't
becomes
talk. Yes.
5
Xavier, 2 meters 45 centimeters. Indian record. Andrpal, 2 meters 17. How much?
centimeters, ma'am. 17.
How much, Sirivanella?
27 centimeters.
27. Let us check. So 5
28
minus 7.
centimeters,
Yeah,
ma'am.
wait, Mokshita. 5 minus 7 you cannot do, so you are borrowing. 15 minus 7. Sirivanella, 15 minus 7.
28.
Sirivanella, 15 minus 7.
Yes, ma'am.
8. Yes. So this becomes 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Sirivanella, look at yours. 3 minus 1. 2. And 2 minus 2, 0. So 28 centimeters. It's such a simple subtraction. You should be careful while subtracting, isn't it? Because in options, you will be given 26, 27, 28. Because you do such mistakes, such answers only will be given there. And by mistake, if you do like this, you will be getting wrong mark, 0 marks there. Be careful, okay? Okay, next. Mokshita, ready?
Yes, ready, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you tell me who is
Worksheet 2.
who has done world record in long jump men?
Mike P, ma'am.
Mike P. So how much more Amrit has to jump to reach Mike's record?
Mic record and mic record
How much more, listen Mokshita, how much more Amrit Pal has to jump to reach Mike P records?
చూడు వాటి రెండింటి మధ్య
What is
డిఫరెన్స్
Amrit Pal record?
Minus
చూడు అమృతపాల్ రికార్డ్ అని చెప్పు
8 meters 8 centimeters.
Yes, now I am asking you, how much more Amrit Pal has to jump to reach Mike P record? So what is that you have to do?
ఏం చేయాలని అడుగుతున్నా
Subtraction.
Very good. So do that. Which is the biggest number? 8 meter 95 centimeter or 8 meter 8 centimeters?
8 meters 95 centimeters.
So first you write that, then you write smaller number, subtract and tell me the answer. Yes, others also. Meanwhile, subtract. Ravish, Sirivanala, Grace, Vaishnavi, everyone. Others also do the subtraction. 8 meters, 95 centimeters. Next, 8 meters, 8 centimeters. Subtract.
meters.
Borrow.
Borrow one. This becomes 8. This becomes 50. 37 centimeters. 7.
Yeah, let her also do. Let us check what you have given is right or not.
7. 8. 37 centimeters, ma'am.
Yes, Sirivanala, wait. Let Mokshita also do because it's her problem.
87 centimeters, ma'am.
Okay. 7, 8. How did you get 37, Sirivanala then? Huh? What did you say, Siri? 37 or 87?
8. Subtraction, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So 87 centimeter high, he should jump more so that he can reach world record 8 meters 95 centimeters. Okay, children, this was the revision of 2 worksheets, 2 chapters, building with bricks and long and short. Hope all of you understood. Any problem in this? Children,
No.
No. Okay, fine. So late after the class, I will send you some worksheets separately, then Google Sheets for this holidays. Okay. Clear? Tomorrow we don't have class, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today is the last class for us for this month before vacation, right? So do all that and please write 6 to 20 tables. Every day, 1 table at least. Will you do that? Because
Yes, ma'am.
see, in
Yes,
future,
ma'am.
whatever the chapters you have, they are related with multiplications, divisions. And for that, you need to know the tables. If you do not know tables, you cannot do the problems well. Yeah. So in WhatsApp group, I'll clearly mention what are the things you have to do in your holidays, but do well, do it on your own. And enjoy your holidays, but be safe, be at home. Okay. Situation is not good, so don't go out. If you go, if you have anything important to go out, have double masks, gloves, sanitizers and all, and mostly be at home and be safe. Okay, children then? Okay, let us meet in the next class after vacation. But meanwhile, I'll give you a, listen, I'll give you a, you should submit. Now listen, listen, listen. I have created a new group for you. Did you receive that? Yes.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
anyone has missed, please tell me. So all of you open that new group and submit the work in that group only, not in our regular group. Yeah, I will not check regular group. Only submit in that as assignment group. Okay, children, have a nice time. Enjoy your holidays. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.